Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase mobile app for trading, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the Coinbase mobile app for trading, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, search for Coinbase in your device's app store and install it. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Tap on Next to proceed. You will receive a verification email or a text message, depending on your selected method. Check your email inbox or SMS for the verification code. Enter the code provided in the app. If you did not receive a code, tap on the Resend Code option and wait for a new one. Once you enter the correct code, tap Verify to continue. Next, you may be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and tap Login. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code to your authentication app. Enter that code in the appropriate field. After successfully logging in, you may be asked to complete additional security checks for your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once all steps are completed, you will be logged into your Coinbase mobile app. You are now ready to start trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.